together, we are one. How much time wasted playing games with love. So many tears we cry, so much pain inside. But baby, it ain't over till it's over. So many years we try to keep our love alive. 'Cause baby, it ain't over till it's over. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing It Ain't Over Till It's Over by Lenny Kravitz. I'll show you how to play it 1/2 step down than original because it's way easier on the ukulele. If you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the first fret. Alright? On a high G string ukulele, grab yours and let's go. Okay, first I want to show you the intro tab that I'm doing. Let me come a little bit closer. Alright, so we start on the C. Okay. And after that, I'm doing here 5, 7, and then open G string, open A string, and grabbing C major 7. Alright. And then I do exactly the same. And then we grab C9, which is basically like F, just one string down. Okay? And after the C9, I do this 2 times 3rd fret on the A string, then open A string, open G string, grabbing the F chord, and then F minor 7. This is the 7th tone. If it's too hard for you like that, just grab F minor. Alright? It will sound okay. So, slowly. One more time. Okay, if this is a little bit too complicated for you, just forget it. Let's see how the song goes as a matter of chords, because this is way easier. Okay, so the main part we have is basically the same chords that are on the intro. C to C major 7 to C9. But here's the little difference. When I'm strumming the chord, I prefer here to play F6, which is just barring on the 5th fret like this. Okay, and then the F minor 7. Okay, so many years we try to keep our love alive, but baby, it ain't over till it's over. And the strumming is very interesting, and it's a little bit funky. Let me try to explain how it is. I think that the best option would be to just feel it rhythmically and just try to play it by feel. But it starts like this. I'm playing down strum and then I'm muting with some of the fingers here on the left hand, so it's okay. And after that I'm doing very quick down up. Okay, and after that up, up, down, up. So that's a little bit challenging, but if you just play it for 5-10 minutes straight, just this thing, I'm sure that it will go pretty automatic in your head, and after that you'll not think about it and you'll be able to sing over and just do this. And the last thing that is left from the song is a solo. I don't know if you would like to do it, but let me show you the chords for it. So we start with G sharp here, okay, to A sharp, then the F minor 7 that we know already, and then to G minor, okay, new chord, and after that again G sharp to A sharp, and here we go B, just 1 fret up, and then C sharp 2 frets up, to D sharp another 2 frets up. So on these last chords we are just sliding the same shape. Now let's see how this goes. We have another bar of rhythmic thing, and then so many tears we try inside, baby, it ain't over till it's over. And that's my ukulele tutorial for It Ain't Over Till It's Over. Thank you so much for watching it. Let me know in the comments below which song should I do next, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.